Welcome to our BIZOL video. In Germany, standards for fuel quality are subject to strict regulations. Unfortunately, this isn't the matter in all regions of the world. This map shows you the level of fuel quality in your region. Why is it a problem? Fuel quality also has a great impact on deposit buildup. An incomplete fuel combustion leads to the formation of deposits. This can cause a loss of engine performance, increased emissions and fuel consumption. BIZOL offers two high-quality, made in Germany, easy-to-use fuel additives for diesel and gasoline engines. BIZOL Diesel System Clean plus d60, and BIZOL Gasoline System Clean plus g80. These BIZOL products clean completely the fuel system, including injectors and valves. You just have to fill the additive into the tank using the attached nozzle. One 250 milliliters can is sufficient for a tank volume of up to 75 liters. For trucks and heavy duty, we also offer a BIZOL Diesel System Clean plus d60 in a 1 liter can. The product can be used at any time. We recommend adding it before refueling, in areas with very good fuel quality, which are highlighted in green. We recommend using it every third tank filling, in areas with very poor fuel quality, which are highlighted in red. BIZOL recommends the product for continuous use. This will help you a lot to keep your fuel system clean and your car stay powerful at a very low investment. For further information, please ask your mechanic for BIZOL additives.